a mini haul today, guys. I know you guys have been loving my hauls, and I'm pretty sure you're wondering, Kayla, why are you spending so much money? But hey, it's my birthday month, okay? Which means I get to spend all the money that I want, all right? Okay. We took another trip to Ulta Edinburgh. If you live in the valley and you know where I'm talking about, girl, go to your Ulta in Edinburgh. They're always organized, and just go check it out. It's my birthday month, which means I get double the points this month, and I have the Ultimate Rewards credit card, which means I get double the points on top of double the points. Ergo, I'm getting 4 times the points. Plus, I'm a diamond member, so I get 1.5 times the points. And you guys know my last haul, I used all of my points. I used majority of my points to where I only had $8 left to use or something like that. Now I have like $11, but we're trying to get that back up to like $100 and some to use because I like having a lot of points to do things, okay? To just spend. So we didn't get too many things. It's a little bag. We got quite a few things from The Ordinary. Super excited to use a couple of these things. I've already used this one. I've used 2 of these. So the first thing I got was the Ordinary Squalene Cleanser. I've been having a lot of issues. So my Purity Cleanser from Philosophy is just giving me a lot of issues. It dries me out. The thing about the Purity Cleanser is that I say this a lot, I cannot use a Purity Cleanser for a long period of time. I can only use it for a few weeks before it starts drying me out. So I have to use that on and off. But I think I'm just gonna stop using it all in all because it's that facts. Like, I don't want to have to go buy a new cleanser every single time it starts drying me out. Then I got, for my points from Sephora, I got a little cleanser. It is a Peter Thomas Roth. I love Peter Thomas Roth, although I cannot afford it, but their skincare is really good. It's a little cleanser and it brightens your face, so I wanted to try that. It cleared up my skin so much because I was having some acne problems. Cleared up my skin so much. However, it made this little dry patch get worse. I don't know if this is from, I'm trying to figure out if it's from the mask that I wear when I go out, because, you know, we have to wear masks right now. If it's my cleanser or what, because I know when I use my cleanser, right after it just gets itchy and flaky, and I started getting a little bit of a dry patch right here too, so I don't want it to spread, okay? We don't want the rest of the face to get worse. So I purchased this cleanser. My brother uses it. I asked him, hey, does it dry you out? Because mine currently is. He's like, no, this hydrates me. So I bought this. This is a squalene based face cleanser and makeup, it's a makeup remover as well. Dispense product into hands, rub together to warm the product, allowing it to melt into an oil, massage well into dry face, and rinse with warm water. Oh, I did not do that. I did it to a wet face. So I'm gonna have to retry this anyway because I have makeup on. I wanna see if I can just do like a 1-step. That would be great and not have to use any sort of cotton on my face. Next thing I got from The Ordinary is the AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. If you have sensitive skin, you're not gonna wanna use this because it tingles like a motherfucker, all right? It tingles so bad, but it does leave my skin a lot brighter, so I'm really excited to use this a lot more. I need to see how many times I can use it. It's like once a week. The last thing that I got from The Ordinary is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. My brother says that it works really well. He uses this. He says it really hydrates his face, so I really wanted to get some sort of hyaluronic acid to apply to my face. We're gonna try this out. I totally forgot to use this for my moisturizer today, so we have a new little skincare setup because I want to do this series where 2020 I wanted to work on myself. So I want to lose weight, I want to work on clearing up my skin really well, and I want to work on growing out my toenails nicely because my toenails are jacked, girl. They're jacked. Okay. That, I want to work on my hair. So I wanted to take you along through like a huge series of glowing up. I really want to work on skincare, so I'm just going to take you along with that, show you guys how it goes and whatnot. Next thing I purchased, I actually got 2 different versions. One I'm wearing right now, but I got the Kiss Lash Couture Luxtensions collection, the ultimate lash extensions look, and there was several different styles, and I really wanted to try these out before I jump on to buying the other ones. I mean, you guys know me. I love my Kiss Lash Couture line, all right? Kiss Lash Couture is everything. I don't know why I thought I bought, but I bought it from Target. I bought it from H-E-B. I didn't buy that. Anyway, whatever. So I got the style Black Swan. It is a super slim band, flat lash tech, light and flexible wear, laser cut text to make it look like you're wearing lash extensions. So I really want to try this out in the video for you guys, or just update you guys and let you guys know how it looks. So I would just go follow my Instagram, because more than likely I'm probably going to apply these. I don't know if I'm going to apply these tomorrow, because I want to see how I can wear these throughout the day, like if they wear really well, so I can wear these to work, because I do like this, but it would probably be easier just to apply this. So I'm gonna update you guys in the next couple days, so just go check out my Instagram. Ones I'm wearing right now though are the Kiss Falscara collection, well, Falscara kit. So this comes with the lashes. They're like well, not individual, they're like little clusters, and then it comes with this lash applicator, which actually is like a metal or like some sort. It's a really luxurious, not like super luxurious, but like, you know, it's a more, I'm not explaining it, higher end lash applicator, I guess you'd say. It's not plastic. I thought it was plastic. This retails for $20, and it comes with the bond and the sealer in this. However, you do have to buy the remover, which I did not buy, because I was just like, I could just use my micellar water to take this bitch off. Okay, I don't. Please. We're just gonna have to see how that goes. If that doesn't work really well, I might have to get the remover. That would suck. Anyway, the next thing that I got was the Sailor Moon Pressed Powder Blush. I totally forgot that they had the lip gloss there. They had the rest of the collection there, and I just got this one. I was so excited when I saw it, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I wanted to get the blush. That is so cute! Look at that! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, there's 3 different ones. Look. Let's see if you can see it. Ah, that's so cute. But this is the Sailor Moon blush that I wasn't able to get with the collection. I just got the palette. If you guys haven't seen that tutorial, that review, go check it out. But I told you guys that I was gonna get my hands on the blush and probably do a number 2 of that video. So if you guys would like to see that, leave it in the comments down below, so I can do a whole nother look with the palette plus the blush. So I'm really excited about that. I'm excited to have this in my collection. And this box is so cute. I kept the other box. It's like on my nightstand. I don't know what to do with it. We're gonna probably put it like on my... Dude, bro, I left my empty Red Bull can up there, not thinking that like you guys could totally see that up there, but I mean, whatevs, right? We got 2 new eyeliners. I was gonna buy the whole line of eyeliners, but I was like, let me just try these 2 first to see if I even like them. So I got the LA Girl Shock Wave liners. These are new. These are neon. This is a lip liner, bitch. I thought this was an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner anyway. So this is a lip liner. This is an eyeliner. Okay, that's crazy. I really thought that this was an eyeliner, but I bought it as an eyeliner, so I'm probably just gonna use it as an eyeliner anyway. I hope it's eye safe. I mean, if it's lip safe, it has to be eye safe, right? Because it's like around you. Yeah, anyway. So I got neon pink and neon green. There was like purple, blue, 2 different colors of blue. There was yellow, green, what, you know, I was gonna get the whole like line, and I was just like, let me start off with 2. Let's chill out, girl, because we don't even know if we like these, and then we'll move on. Last few things I got were my birthday gifts. So I got Bliss Micro Magic Skin Renewing Microdermabrasion Scrub. I think this is a full size, so that's really cool if you guys are May babies as well. Actually, I don't know what your Ulta would have. I want to say because of the whole coronavirus thing, every Ulta kind of just got whatever. I also got the It Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I actually already have like a mini one as well, another trial one that I have not tried. So I do not know if this is gonna work well for my skin. We can try it out. Last thing I got is a little sample of the Lancome Idole perfume. I have smelled this in store a few times, and let me tell you, I'm not a huge fan of rose scented things, but this one smells so good. This is the one that Zendaya promotes. Oh, it smells so good. So good. It is rose scented, so if you don't like rose scented things, you probably won't like that. But that's just a little something that they gave me for my birthday. Alright, okay. That is it for this mini Ulta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a like and also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Bae family, because you know the K-Bae family is the best family. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys!